Welcome! In this lesson, we will look for patterns using shapes, using number sequences, and using the number line. We'll also practice adding and subtracting three-digit numbers with 4 examples each so you can see step by step how to manage carries and borrows. First, let's look at patterns made from simple shapes. We will show the first few terms and try to predict the next term. Pay attention to what changes from one term to the next. What is the pattern? We can count how many triangles appear in each term. Term 1 has 1 triangle, Term 2 has 2, Term 3 has 3, and Term 4 has 4. So the number of triangles equals the term number. Therefore, the next term, Term 5, would have 5 triangles. Next, we'll look at number sequences. A common kind is an arithmetic pattern where we add the same amount each time. We'll show some examples and find the rule. Observe the differences between successive terms. From 5 to 8, we add 3. From 8 to 11, we add 3. From 11 to 14, we add 3. So the rule is add 3. This means the nth term can be written as 5 plus 3 times n minus 1. Example 2 is a multiplicative pattern. 2, 4, 8, 16. Here each term is multiplying by 2. That is a geometric pattern. We'll show how to describe it. This pattern multiplies by 2 each time. So the rule is multiply by 2. And the nth term is 2 times 2 to the power of n minus 1. Now, let's see patterns on the number line. Skip counting creates a visual pattern of equal jumps. We'll illustrate skip counting by 3s and by 5s. Let's skip count by 3s. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. We'll show jumps of 3 along the number line. You can see equal-sized jumps. That's the visual pattern. Skip counting by 5 would make larger jumps. Recognizing equal jumps is useful when finding rules for sequences and when estimating. Now we practice adding three-digit numbers. We'll do 4 examples and show each addition step by step. Add the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, and handle any carries. Let's start with the first example. Addition example 4. Add 495 plus 517. We'll line the numbers up by place value and start with the ones place. Next, add the tens place. If the ones sum is 10 or more, we carry to the tens. Finally, add the hundreds place, including any carry from the tens. Write the final answer by putting digits from the ones, tens, and hundreds results, including carries. Let's also visualize one addition on the number line. We'll add 347 plus 286 by making a jump of 347 and then jump 286 more. Now we will subtract three-digit numbers for examples. We'll line up the digits by place value and subtract ones, then tens, then hundreds, borrowing when needed. Subtraction example 4. Compute 900 minus 458. We'll start with the ones place. Now handle the tens place, remembering any borrow. Finally, subtract the hundreds place, including any borrow from the tens. Write the final result. We'll also visualize one subtraction on the number line. For 703 minus 486, start at 703 and jump back by 486 to land at the answer. Let's summarize. Patterns can be visual, like shape counts, or numeric, like arithmetic or geometric sequences. Number line visuals help with skip counting and with understanding addition and subtraction. For three-digit arithmetic, always align by place value, work on ones, tens, hundreds, and handle carries and borrows carefully. Practice makes this process faster and more intuitive. Thanks for learning with us.